Initially dubbed the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, this variant promised a sleeker design. But with Google and Honor's impressive foldable releases, Samsung's reconsidering its approach. With Honor taking a jab at Samsung's bulkiness, the term slim might lead to unrealistic expectations. Is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition the perfect response? Current speculation suggests a name change to Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. Rumors and leaks surround the Special Edition, but one thing's certain, it's getting thinner. A purported render reveals a 10.6mm profile, beating the standard Z Fold SIXS 12.1mm. But how does it stack up against the competition? The Pixel 9 Pro Fold and Honor Magic V3 set the bar high with 10.5mm and 9.2mm thickness, respectively. The leaked images hint at a brushed metal back and metallic-like finish on the rear glass, giving it a premium feel. The Special Edition's slimmer design might come with a more pronounced camera bump. Power and volume buttons will likely remain on the side, with a possible redesigned power button. The current foldable devices can't match flagship camera systems. But leaks suggest the Special Edition might feature a 200MP main camera, rivaling the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Renowned leaker Evan Blass hints at a streamlined design and upgraded rear camera system. This could be the game-changer Samsung needs to dominate the foldable market. The standard Fold SIXS camera can't match the Galaxy S24 Ultra. But with a potential 200MP main camera, the Special Edition could bridge that gap. The Special Edition aims for a sleeker look, but will it follow the rectangular design trend? Samsung's approach remains unclear. The current Fold 6 is bulkier than competitors. But the Special Edition might change that with a slimmer 11.5mm design. Initially, rumors suggested no S Pen support, but leaked sources confirm compatibility with the separately sold S Pen. Samsung's foldable trails behind competitors in certain areas. Will its slim design and S Pen support be enough to catch up? With strong competition from Honor, Vivo, and Google, can Samsung dominate the US market?